The book I read was Jeremy Bender versus the Cupcake Cadets. It is about two boys, Jeremy and Slater, that Jeremy ruins his father's boat and he must try to fix it, and the damage is worth $450. But to fix it, he has to join the Cupcake Cadets, and this represents the cupcakes, and they have to join the Windjammer Whirl to fix his father's boat, and the prize is worth $500, and that leaves them to fix the boat and to make a profit. But Jeremy and Slater, they try to go in the Cupcake Cadets, but they realize that it's only girls. So they have to dress up as girls, and this is the uniform, and this is Troop 149, and this is the uniform, and then they must, when they dress up as girls, they have to earn patches to go to the Windjammer Whirl. So this is one of their patches. It says "Service with a Smile," and they made this when they had the car wash. That's my book.